In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere between $700 and $3,000 in a day with this simple copy and paste trick using the Google search engine. And in this video, I'm going to teach you the best way to make money online in 2020 so far. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here. On this channel, I'm super passionate in documenting my journey on making money online. I'm posting on the daily, giving you exclusive insights into my journey on making money online. So if you want to be a part of that journey and get a ton of value from my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you can go subscribe down below and leave a like on this video. I will really appreciate that support. And before you jump off, let's get right into this video so we can learn how to make money online. So there are many different platforms that we can use to make money online, and this one right here is by far one of the most innovative sites that I have found. And this website gives a couple of ways and a few summaries on different ways to make money online. So you'll see if I scroll down, they've got a section on how you can make money online, a section on how you can save money, and even some freebie websites where you can go find a ton of websites and get given freebies for that, such as 22 legit and easy ways to get free Amazon gift cards, which is pretty cool. And then they've got the make money online section, which is 81 legit ways to make money online, and a whole bunch of other ways for example, college students to make money, or 40 sites that pay you to do things you already do. So really handy website, really innovative. Whoever made this website, big ups to you, because this website is helping a lot of people make money online. But they actually have a section that they don't even really promote on their front page. That is called moneypantry.com get paid to write. And I assume they don't really show this on their front page because they don't want a lot of people to find this section simply because of how valuable it is. So you could call this technically like a private page where there are 101 websites that pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post. But don't worry, you're not going to need to know how to write a thing. I'm going to show you an awesome trick that you can use to copy and paste completely copyright free articles, kind of put them in your own words as well, and just submit them here and earn anywhere between $50 and $3,000 per blog post. I averaged it out to about $700. That's how I got $700 per day. So if I scroll down, you can click over here on the table of contents and you will see how many different websites there are that are paying you. So I mean, I can scroll down forever and ever on this table of contents, but just to give you an idea, this first one is paying you $150 per post. This Wanderlust website is paying you £220 per post. You can see some more expensive ones over here, $1,600 per story. This one is up to $2,000 per post that is accepted. Then you've got some more at about $300, and then one that's at $2,000 again. So that's kind of averaged out to about $600 to $700 if you calculate the average between all of these. So these are really amazing ways to make money online, these various different websites, and I'm going to dive straight into them right now. So what's great about these, you can scroll down a little bit more and you can see the first one starting here, which is the first one on the table of contents, and each one gives you a brief description on what you need to do. So this one focuses on travel, work, education, retirement, volunteering, etc. That's the niche that this is in, and this pays $150 for travel related articles. This one over here is all about the travel market as well. So writers are receiving 220 euros for their featured articles around 1,000 words long. And then they've got the third one, for example, $50 to $200 per post, also travel. And here's one that's actually paying per word, so Travel and Leisure Magazine. So if you have an article on 2,000 words and you get accepted, that is $2,000. But like I said, don't worry, I'm going to show you an awesome trick that we can use to copy and paste this to make this money online. But quickly, before we go and dive into one of these to make this kind of money online, just scroll down a little bit. You will see a section on general interest, which is any kind of topic that you want to write about. So this one is $0.35 per word, $2.50 per post, and they accept articles based on true stories about people who achieved certain goals. So this is a post or an article that you could write about your story in life. If that gets accepted, you're going to get paid $250 straight to PayPal. So what's nice about this, for those people that do have a bit of experience in the writing field, you can write your own stories on any general interest and earn this kind of money online too. But like I said, I'm going to show you how to use this copy and paste trick right now. So let's head into one of these and show you how you can submit your post to this. Then I'm going to show you how you can use this copy and paste trick. Then I'm going to show you after that this copy and paste trick that we can use to make money online. So let's randomly choose the Chicken Soup for the Soul, which is a platform that is accepting content or articles based on real life or true stories. So if I click on them and open them in a new tab, they're going to look like this. So you can see they actually give you amazing guidelines for submissions, what is accepted and what is not accepted. So highly recommend whatever one you choose, read through these guidelines and follow them to the tail. So you can see they are paying $200 for 1,200 word or less article, which is amazing. It's not huge. It's not like you got to write an entire book or make an entire book for this, but do pay attention. You got to read here. So they don't want any essays. They don't want as a story told by you for someone else. If you ghostwrite a story for someone, we thank you for helping that person, etc. So make sure that you follow these guidelines. It mustn't be about politics, a biography or testimonial, a journalistic article about third party. You just follow this exactly as it is, and you'll be fine and you will get accepted. Then all you do is they actually give you how to submit and what their entire submission line is and what you need to include in your submission. Once that's done, you will be notified back from them when you are accepted, and they will transfer your payments via PayPal, or if they have any other payment ways that's accepted in your country. And then I quickly want to show you two websites that you can use to even 2 to 3 times your earnings. So there's another website called Copify, uk.copify.com, that's paying you 25 euros per 500 words, which is not a lot at all. So if you write a 1,000-word article, as like I said, I'm going to show you just how to copy and paste this with a simple trick, you are going to earn 50 euros, which is good amount of money. It's not like it's a little amount at all. This is a full-time income. So this is one website you can also consider on top of Money Pantry. And then thirdly, we could also use textbroker.com. So if you put your quality as a 3-star writer, which is the average on the site, you can drag the word counter. So if you write a 100-word essay or article, you're going to get paid $1. If you write 1,000 words, you're going to get paid $10. And as you upgrade over time, your stars will increase. So if you eventually become a 5-star writer, you are going to get paid up to $600 for a 12,000 word essay, which is the max you can earn for one article, which is good pay. So I also suggest use all 3 of these websites and submit all of your work on these to get accepted into multiple websites at the same time. And then to go and get our articles and use the simple copy and paste trick, I'm going to show you 3 websites that we can use to build an amazing article that we don't even need to write a single word or letter ourselves. Firstly, we can use Ezine Articles, which is a copyright-free article website, and we can search different niches, different articles in different niches. So let's come back here quickly. You can see on travel, which is what this is all about. We can just come back to Ezine Article and type travel, click on search. Over here you can see what travel agents need to know about the corporate travel today, start a home travel business and profit from a multi-billion-dollar online travel industry, the elements of a strong corporate travel program. Let's choose this one over here. What travel agents and tour operators need to focus on authentic local experiences to stay competitive. This sounds like a good article, really helpful for travel businesses. You can see an entire done for you article over here that you can use. And this is all here copyright free for you to use. We can also use Quora.com. We're not going to be posting anything here, don't worry. We're just going to use it for article research. So we can put here travel. We can just search anything in travel. So let's have a look what people have to say. How does it feel to travel alone? What are the best travel hacks? That sounds pretty interesting. Let's click on this. Let's go see what people have to say. So you can see over here, like nice bullet points. Here's like a whole bunch of bullet points on travel, what it's like to travel alone, and what are the best travel hacks. So we can put an article together out of this. You can use something simple like Google Documents. If you want to copy some of these and build an article out of this, include it and kind of build a Ezine article with a Quora post and start producing like a little bit of your own work as well, but you can just copy and paste and mix it up a bit. I don't suggest just go copy all of this and just paste this as is. Mix it up a bit, go include some information from Quora as well with your Ezine article and make your own valuable article from those 2 pieces of content. And this is the trick that I want to show you guys. You can come over to docs.google.com and we can actually open up a blank document over here and you can see we can type. But what's also amazing is to speed this up by 10 times, and then you're going to come over here to tools, click on voice typing, and we can actually just type with our voice. So we can open this Quora post up in a new tab, or this Ezine article up in a new tab, and we can just speak into our computer, write out this article completely by typing, and then you can just say, hello, what is up? And there we go. It's as quick as that. That was literally a second or 2 to say a 1 sentence or 1 question, which makes it much faster than just typing out, hello, what is up? And also what I want you to notice, you can see that it is taken in exactly what I said. The Google voice to text is very accurate, and that's why I've specifically chosen this tool. And the best part, it's free. You don't need to pay a cent for it. Just as another amazing bonus for you guys, if you come over to Google and type in get paid to write articles, you will find a ton of articles over here as well. So you can see 10 sites to pay you to write articles plus 200 more. Let's click on the site. You can see here, if I scroll down a little bit, Strong Whispers is $50 to $150. Wow Woman on Writing, $50 to $100. There's more here. Linkable, $100 to $750. Cracks.com, $100 to $200. $25 to $500. So I suggest go and make your articles using this awesome trick and go submit on all of these, because I am sure when you get your article right, at least one of these will accept you, which is an easy, quick $50 to $2,000 per article. So let's head over to this one over here. For example, you can see they've got a link to Watch Culture. If I click on their site, it's going to be right for us. You can see join. You don't need to have any relevant experience or hold any particular qualifications, but you do need to process excellent creativity, have a keen eye for detail, show a passion for content creation, stay on top trends. So that's all you need. You don't need any fancy degree, no amazing doctorate in writing skills. You just need to do this as they say. By using the trick that I showed you, your articles will be more than excellent and more than creative enough. And that was this video for today, guys. I really hope you got a ton of value. On the screen above, somewhere over here, I'm going to leave my best playlist for you guys to get a ton of value in learning how to make money online. So I will include free giveaways in these playlists, some amazing tools that you can use for affiliate marketing or drop servicing or CPA marketing. I will include my best affiliate marketing playlist on the screen over here. So I suggest if you want to learn some more value, you're welcome to go and check that out. Otherwise, I would really appreciate if you could leave a like on this video or subscribe down below if you're new. I would really appreciate that support. But until tomorrow, take care and I'll see you then.